Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to tell you about how you can swap two numbers without using three variables. Or in this video I am going to tell you about how you can swap two numbers by using only two variables. Previously you may swap the numbers using three variables, but in this video I will tell you the trick how you can swap two numbers using only two variables. In this video I am going to use C++ programming language to do this. You can do this or you can implement this idea using any of the programming language that you love. Okay, before going to ahead, please make sure that you have subscribed the channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and like the video. Don't forget to share the video with your friends so everyone will know about this and about the channel. Okay, let's go ahead. Before doing how actually we can swap two numbers without using three variables, let's see how we can swap two numbers using three variables. Okay, for that I'm going to need the three variables. So I want to store the two numbers on x and y, so I have written int xy, that is I have declared two numbers. And now okay, I'm just going to allow the user or allow to enter two numbers, because I want to take the input the value of x and y, enter numbers to swap. Okay, now I want to store that on the variables, so I have done like this. I want to display the value of x and y, so I'm going to write something like that. Before swap value of x equals to x and value of y equals y, and I'm going to end the line. Okay, now then I want to swap the number. To swap two numbers I'm going to need another temporary variable, so I'm declaring that variable as temp. So first of all I want to store the value of x on temp, so I can copy the value of temp to y easily. Okay, then I'm going to do like that. I'm going to copy the value of y to x, and now the value of x is changed by the value of y. Okay, and I have to change the value of y and put the value of x on the variable y, so that our value of the two numbers will be swapped. To do that, the value of x is stored on the variable temp, so I'm going to write y equals temp. Now the value is changed. To show that the swapped value, I am going to copy this line again and paste it after swap. The value of x equals to something and value of y equals to something. Let's run this. Obviously it is going to work properly. Okay, I want to enter two number to swap. I want to do 34 and 76. Obviously before swapping x equals to 34, and after swapping the value of x is on the value of y, that is y equals to 34, and before swap the value of y is 76, and after swap the value of the y is on the variable x, that is the swapping is done perfectly. Now I'm going to copy this on the another program and swap actually using two variables. Or how can do swapping without using three numbers? Let's see. If I haven't used three variables, I have to remove the variable temp and I have to put only x and y. So I also need to remove this section too. Now I'm doing something like that. Let's see. X equals to x plus y. If I do x plus y equals to x, then I'm going to put the value of sum of x plus y. Sum of x and y is stored on x. Okay, now if I need the value of x on y, obviously I have to do like that, y equals to value of x. But if I do x equals to y, then I will get the same value on the both variable. So I'm not going to do like that. I'm going to do like on the value of y, the x is equal to the total sum. If I reduce the value of y from the total sum, I am obviously going to get the value of x. So if I get the value of x, I can easily put that on the variable y. So the value of y will be changed by the value of x. So I have done like this. It means actually it is like y equals x plus y, because x is actually equal to x plus y. X plus y minus y. If I do like that, the sum minus y, the y and y will cancel and the value of x will remain mathematically. So the value of y will be equal to the value of x, that is our value of x is changed and is stored on the value of x is stored on that variable y. So again the value of the y is changed to the value of x. If I reduce the value of x from the total sum, obviously I am going to get the value of y. So I have to put the value of y on x. To do that, I have an idea. I will remove or I will subtract the value of y from or value of x from the total sum. So I will get the value of y, that is something like that. Okay, if you didn't get, I am doing this like this: x equals to x plus y minus x, because the value of y is equal to the value of x that was initially. Okay, so if I do x plus y minus x, x and x are going to be cancelled and y is going to be remain. So I will get the value of y on x, variable x. That is actually how swapping is done. Let's see, is it working perfectly or not. Obviously it is going to work. Okay, let's see. I'm going to enter two variables. I'll write 23 and I'll write 4. Obviously before swapping I'm getting x equals to 23 and y equals to 4, and after swapping I'm getting the value of x on y and the value of y on x, so that the value of x and y or the value of two numbers is perfectly swapped. This is actually how you can do swapping. Okay, hope you love the video. Please, if you have liked the video, don't forget to press the like button and have your comment on the comment section below. If you don't understand the video or if you don't understand how actually I have done this, please go back few seconds and rewatch. Obviously you will get. If you again don't get, please have a comment and have a message me on the Facebook page. That the link is on the description below, and get connected with me on my social medias. All of the social links are on the description below. Have a good day, keep learning, bye. See you next video with another trick and another tutorial.